We've made it to the ultimate technique, which is triaging. Triaging doesn't just make hospitals run very well, it actually is the ultimate key to becoming a super reader. We've triaged on a small scale when we scan and when we skim. We take bits that we like or we're interested in or relevant, and we leave other parts out. That kind of sorting is happening all the time in our everyday world. But if we apply triaging to the speed reading techniques, we can use the best technique for the best situation. Now, this is based on some university studies again, and they found that academics, they sort massive bits of information into 5 piles. This is a very strange sort of a system, this 5-pile system, but it keeps on coming up in these studies time and time again. Well, instead of you doing this haphazard way of triaging their books, what we're going to do is we're going to rely on the fact that you are intelligent enough to figure out what you want to read. And once you have that already, we're going to look how to triage all of the techniques, skimming, scanning, speed reading, spreading, all into that one text. Different texts are going to require different combinations, but the point is you're going to be able to rip information out of any source so quick it's going to blow you away. So in the next couple of lectures, I'll be doing some live examples. I'll be doing it on screen with you. I haven't read these things before. I'll do that once and then I'll come back and show you exactly what I did in each area. Then you're going to take an exam on super reading, combining all of these skills into one to become a super reader.